Hi again. You guys just saw Molly learning a strategy to help herself calm down when she felt scared when a big dog barked at her. Max helped her remember to put her hands on her tummy and say stop. She also learned that naming her feelings helps her to calm down. Now let's talk about this some more as we look at this week's photo story card. Here are Gabe and his teacher. Another child just called Gabe some mean names. He didn't like it at all. Do you think Gabe feels comfortable or uncomfortable? Yep, you're right. It's an uncomfortable feeling to have someone call you mean names. They don't make us feel good or want to smile. So he is having an uncomfortable feeling. If you thought the same thing, pat your head. Well, the teacher notices Gabe's head hanging down and his frown. She talks to him about his feelings. She asks him if he can name how he is feeling. How do you think Gabe is feeling? Yep, he might feel sad, worried, or upset. So if you had that same idea, clap your hands 2 times. Yes. So, Gabe put his hands on his tummy, told himself to stop and calm down. And then he named his feeling and he said, I feel sad. Naming the feelings helps him feel better. The teacher asks why he is feeling sad, and Gabe tells her about the mean names. Telling his teacher what happened helps too. His teacher goes with him and helps him talk to the child who was calling him names. Pretend that you are Gabe and practice calming down. We can see that Gabe followed all of the steps when he put his hands on his tummy and said stop. Then he named his feeling. He said, I feel sad. And then he told his teacher what the problem was. Sometimes it can be hard to name your feelings, but talking to a grown-up really helps. Remember, it's not okay to call each other mean names in your class. So if that happens to you, the best way to handle it is to, again, tell yourself to get calm by saying stop, name your feeling, and then figure out a way to get some help. And Gabe did that by talking to his teacher. Or you could go to the quiet space or the safe area in your class. That can help you to feel better too. We'll be talking about more of those ways to help us get ourselves calm and how to handle it. See you guys next week. Oh, and don't forget to click on the Calm Down poster that I just showed you in our Bitmoji classroom, because you can hear the How to Calm Down song again. See you guys next week.